Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today we are going to do our EVS exercise. So, today this is our online EVS class, and in which we are doing chapter number 7, our clothes. So, children, I hope you all have completed your previous work which I gave you yesterday. Now today I am going to explain you this chapter first in this manner. So you all know that why do we wear clothes, children? Yes, we wear clothes to cover our body. हम अपनी body को cover करने के लिए clothes पहनते हैं and to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. हम क्लोथ्स अपनी बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए और अपने आप को हीट, कोल्ड, रेन और डस्ट से बचाने के लिए पहनते हैं. Now you all know that we wear clothes according to the seasons in our country. Do you know that? Very good. I explained you before also that in our country there are 3 seasons. Okay, so we all wear our clothes according to these 3 seasons. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this part. Now children, you all know that there are 3 seasons. So we wear clothes according to it. So how many seasons are there in a country? Once again tell me. All of you please tell me. Yes, there are 3 seasons in our country. Okay. And in these 3 seasons we wear different types of clothes to cover our body and to protect us. Okay, so from this picture, can you guess which is the first season? Very good. This is a bright sun which shows that this is the season of summer. Nowadays we are all in the season of summer. So summer season में हम कौन से clothes पहनते हैं? You can see in this picture. Yes, we wear cotton clothes in summer. So first picture is of clothes which boys wear and the second picture is of clothes which the girls wear. Okay, so clothes we wear in summer are cotton clothes. So in this picture you can see these are cotton shirts. In the second picture you can see this is a cotton shorts with a t-shirt, and this is a dress of a girl. She is wearing a light frock which is made of cotton. So these are all types of clothes that we wear in summer. Is that clear? I hope the season of summer is clear to you all. The clothes which we wear in summer is clear to you all. Now coming to the next season. This is a picture of which season? Can you guess? Very good. This is the winter season, and winter season falls in the month of November, December and January, and you all know that we wear woolen clothes in winters. Okay, so winters में हम woolen clothes पहनते हैं, and wool we get wool from sheep. Very good. Now this is the third season in our country, and from this you can guess what is this season? Yes, this is monsoon season. After some days we will be facing the monsoon season. We will enter in the monsoon season, and during monsoon season there is a lot of rain. Heavy rainfall is there, so we all wear and we all use these types of clothes in monsoon. As you can see in the picture, raincoats, gum boots and umbrellas. Now coming to the topic of special occasions. So children, what are special occasions? You remember? Yes, like festivals. Festivals when you celebrate Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid. This is a special occasion. Then comes weddings. Whenever you go for weddings, this is also a special occasion. कब आप शादी में जब जाते हैं. Then comes birthdays. Whenever you go to a birthday party of your friend, of your relative, so you all wear beautiful and colorful clothes. So in this picture you can see a girl wearing a beautiful pink frock. she cannot wear these, girls cannot wear these types of clothes, or boys cannot wear these types of clothes every day. But whenever you are going for a special occasion, you will wear these types of clothes as shown in these pictures. So I hope you all have understood this topic. Now coming to the last topic, which is of uniforms. Now what are uniforms, children? You can see in this picture, uniforms are the clothes or the dress which is same for everybody. Okay, when you are in a school, in a particular school, so your dress will be same for the school in which you are. Okay, all the students of that school will be wearing same uniform. Now what are special uniforms? Special uniforms are for special people like doctors, who look after the sick people. Then comes lawyers. Lawyers are advocates, and they do cases also. So next is the postman. Okay, postman is the person who delivers letters to our houses. Then comes nurse. Nurse is the person who looks after the sick people when they are admitted in the hospital. And the last one is soldiers. Soldiers are persons who fight for our country. Okay, so this is a picture of a doctor. You can see the dress of a doctor, uniform of a doctor. And now this is a uniform of lawyer. This is a uniform of postman. As you can see, postman comes in this uniform, and this is a uniform of a nurse, and in the last comes the uniform of a soldier. So children, I hope you all have understood this topic very clearly. This topic is very clear to all of you. Once again, please make sure that you watch this video very carefully. Now in today's first part video, that is all for us. So switch on to my next part, part 2 video, which is in which we are going to do our notebook exercise. So till my next video, bye bye children, take care, stay at home and stay safe.